Welcome to the Wi-Tek Product Operation channel. Today we will explore the capabilities of the Wi-Tek Mesh Wireless Access Point. We will build the mesh network based on this topology. AX1800M is the router mode, others are Mesh AP mode, which means Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5 AP can be meshed with each other. Let's start the configuration. The first step, we should download the AP tool to scan the IP address of AX1800M. This is the website of Wi-Tek. We found the product support to download the AP tool. In the second step, we scan the IP address of the master node. And enter the setup wizard. This step only needs to be configured in the master node. Here we choose the DHCP client. Then we customize the SSID and password. In the third step, after completing the setup wizard, we get to the dashboard. We click Network, then Edge AP to scan the other APs. Before adding the other APs to the mesh network, please ensure that the other APs to be added have not been used. All slave APs must be in the factory setting. Power on all slave APs and wait for the slave APs to start until the wireless indicator light is on. After the wireless indicator light of the slave APs is on, please long press the Mesh button on the master node, or connect the master root LAN port through the wired network. Now we start scanning the other APs. The mesh APs appear, which means we have meshed successfully. As you can see, all the devices are shown on the topology. Let's check the status of the master node. The master node status is Add the Edge AP. Then we use the AP tool to scan the local area network to get the IP address of slave nodes. We can get the IP address to check the status of slave nodes. The slave nodes are all mesh clients. Now let's verify the result. We connect the SSID and check in the command line. Now we have gotten the DHCP address. Then we try to browse a web page. See, we've success.